Hello and welcome guys. So today we'll be talking about the most talked or hype phone of 2022, the Google Pixel 6a. I have bought this phone last month and I have had some experience, so I will share all the goods and bads of the Pixel 6a. And should you consider this phone even in 2023 or not, you will find out in this video. Now let's begin the video with the unboxing of the device. And as usual, it came in this cardboard box, which has been unboxed before by the courier guy at the time of delivery. But let's unbox it again for the experience. You can see the price here of rupees 31,999. That's the price during my purchase, but I guess it's below 3,000 rupees at the time of making this video. Well, here's the box in white color. It is small and slim. That's because we won't get a charger included in the box. You can see the Pixel 6a written and the image of the phone as it's in chalk color. On opening the box, first we got the phone itself, keeping it aside for a time being. Further, we got the Type-C to C USB cable and an OTG adapter here. We also got the small box with the Google Tensor written and an ejector pin. And inside we got some documentation. Now coming back to the phone, but before continuing further, I will give the physical overview. On the right, we have all the buttons that include the power button and volume control buttons. On the left side, we have the SIM tray, and on the top, we got one microphone. The back obviously has the cameras with flash module, and at the bottom the speaker grill and the USB port. We'll peel off the screen protector. And try booting up. And this phone came with Android 13 out of the box, and that's the main advantage of a Pixel phone. You will be greeted with the latest Android version and also will get future update later on, with a security update of up to 5 years. And before going to the good and bad of the phone, let's have a quick look at its technical specification. Starting with the display, it features a 6.1-inch Full HD OLED display with the always on feature, and to power the display, the phone features a 4410 mAh battery, 6GB of LPDDR5 RAM, a UFS 3.1 storage of 128GB. The brain of the phone is the Google own Tensor chip with M2 security co-processor. The cameras at the rear are two 12MP sensors, one being a normal wide and the other 144-degree ultra-wide sensor. On the front is a 8MP fixed focus sensor. Up to 240fps slow motion recording from the rear camera and 60fps at 4K, and the front camera can record up to 1080p at 30fps. Now let's continue with the good and bad about this phone. One being its camera. You can say it is the best camera phone under 30,000 price bracket. We'll go in depth later on in the video. Second good thing about this phone is the form factor. It's a compact phone with 6.1-inch display. Third, you can say its internal speaker. It has got stereo speaker setup, meaning having a speaker on both ends, the top and the bottom working together to give you a good audio with stereo separation, and it sounds good. The lows and highs separation is good, but with a small volume difference of about 55% on the bottom and 45% output from the top. Fourth I like about this phone is its build quality and weight. It weighs around 178 grams, which is light to hold, where most of the phone these days weighs above 200 grams. The phone also feels premium to hold with its alloy frame and Gorilla Glass 3 on the front, and the plastic bag that Google called as 3D thermoform composite. And yes, it doesn't feel like plastic at all. The material used are premium, to be honest here. Fifth good thing about this phone will be its IP67 rated protection for the dust and water resistance. Well, that's already good I found on the Pixel 6a. Now coming to the bad part about the phone, let's start with the display. No doubt the quality of the display is great, but it is the refresh rate. It is only having a 60Hz display. Google should at least provide with a 90Hz one, but apart from the refresh rate, the display is good. If you have never used a high refresh rate display, you won't notice it, as the optimization done by Google is good. Second bad thing about this phone would be the charging speed. The phone only supports till 18 watt of PD fast charging, which takes the phone to charge from 0 to 100 in about 2 hours. With the charging tech having of about 200 watt, Google is providing just 18 watt of fast charging. Third, you could say the face unlock feature. It's 2023. I think every smartphone should have a face unlock feature. And the fourth bad thing, you could say heating. This phone tends to heat a bit, with slight discomfort in holding if you don't use a case. It will heat a bit while gaming if you do so, while making a video in hot sunny day, or when you got some system update. It got heated when I first set up the phone, but all these are kind of nitpicking. I guess most of the phone out there will heat up a bit, depending on the circumstances. Well, that's all are the cons or the bad bits I got from the phone. And in conclusion, I think the Pixel 6a is an awesome device for the price you will be paying. It has got good build quality of a flagship level with compact looks. The photos taken from the phones, like this shot, this and this and this and this one, looks beautiful. If you provide decent amount of light, the phone can output a stunning image. However, it misses some accuracy on edge detection in the portrait mode, but most of the shot will come out good even in night too. The color balance and the detection of human faces are good. I would say if you want a decent camera phone for your money, Pixel 6a is the phone you need to buy. The images won't be groundbreaking quality, but will do well for some social media uploads and capturing some decent shots on the go. So my final opinion would be that yes, you should definitely consider the Google Pixel 6a in 2023 for under 30,000 rupees. Yes, I'm saying under 30,000 because the launch price was above 40,000 for this phone. And yeah, that's all I've got to say in this video. Do leave a like and comment if you got any query. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next one. Peace.